the kill switch is here, it's between the battery, and they also give you a key fob, which is absolutely important and amazing and makes this whole thing work so simple. Hey, I'm Steve, and what you're looking at right here is the Fluken remote battery disconnect switch. I've installed this on my sister's car. What this essentially is a remote kill switch for your car. My sister just happens to be driving the model of a car that is being targeted by thieves right now. It's being fueled by social media videos. I won't mention the brand name for privacy's sake, but it's become necessary that we add some security measurements to her car in hopes that it won't get stolen. Let me also state that this very simple to install kill switch can be pretty much installed on any vehicle. What you are essentially doing is you are installing this switch between the battery terminal and your car's actual wiring. So the kill switch is here, it's between the battery, and they also give you a key fob, which is absolutely important and amazing and makes this whole thing work so simple. So what is happening with this kill switch is it doesn't stop a thief from breaking into your car. You can't stop that. But once they're in and try to drive off with your car, they will soon discover that there's no power. You have used your little fob, you've cut the battery's power to the car. It can't be started. So therefore, they may do some damage to your car, but they're not going to take your car. The only way that they would know what is happening is they would have to pop the hood, go under, look and see that there is a switch installed, disassemble it, and then reconnect all the wiring, and then they could drive your car off. How many thieves are going to do that? Probably none. So this remote kill switch gives you added layer of protection that chances are your car is not actually going to be stolen. Now, there's no guarantee that thieves won't disassemble and then reassemble everything, but that is so highly unlikely. Most of them are going to hit and run. When they discover there's a problem, boom, they're out of there. They're going to go on and find another easier car to steal. That's what makes this so awesome. So when you're out and about, you go shopping or you're at home or whatever, you get out of your car, you turn the car off, you lock it, and then you use your fob, you hit the off button, and that kills battery power to your entire car. You can't put a key in it, crank it, hit the on button, restores power back to your car, you can drive it off. So it's an amazing little gadget. It's easy to install with simple tools, and it may just keep your car from being stolen. So if you are looking at this product, I hope you found this video helpful.